Hello, and welcome back to the Four Horsemen. My name is Paul, representing Diecast Graveyard. Myself, along with Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, new members Tom from Spork Syndicate, and Skip from Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop, make up the Four Horsemen. We're really excited about this year's schedule, and we're going to go over that with you right now, and let's have a lot of fun to see what's going on. We're getting ready for a great new season. Now, we definitely have made some changes to this year's schedule, and we've also made some changes to this year's approach to doing the build-offs. Instead of doing a specific car, we've gone out and we have changed the format to just doing themes. That way there, whatever car you have and you can do the theme, we're trying to encourage people to participate in these builds. And it's going to be a great season. It's going to be a lot of fun. We got a lot of great guest horsemen coming. We've got some new subjects, some new themes. We've also added a couple dates to the schedule. Well, let's go ahead and get started. For the month of January, the theme is exotics, and the guest horseman is Matchbox Mark. It's great to see him around, and we're looking forward to what he has to offer. Month of February, the theme is Mardi Gras, and we welcome Jim Silva as one of the guest horsemen. It's going to be a lot of fun. For the month of March, it's St. Patrick's Day, and we have John Dodds from Cool Cat Custom Diecast. John's an excellent builder, and we look forward to what he has to offer. The month of April, Little Casting Monster Truck, and the guest horseman is Santa Slow Dog. First time being a guest horseman is going to be great. For National Redline Day this year, we are going to host the event with Diecast International Builders. This should be an incredible amount of fun, and look forward to your participation. Also, for the month of May, our friend Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop is back, and the theme will be pace cars. This is going to be great. World Service Day, June 14th, and our guest horseman is Fat Guy Productions, Paul. That's going to be fun. Recognize any of your World Service Day people, your EMTs, your soldiers, your police, your fire trucks. We're going to have a great time with that build. For the month of June, we have a 2-car mashup, and our guest horseman is Pete from Old Man Diecast. What an excellent builder. For the month of July, for the first time, we've got outer space as a theme, and the guest horseman is Big J's Custom Garage. For the month of August, we have Gaslands NorCal, and the theme is Wastelands Warlord Vehicle. This ought to be incredible. For the month of September, the theme is Tow Truck, and we welcome Brad at Full Custom Diecast. He definitely brings his A-game to these builds. During the month of October, we have Breast Cancer Awareness and the Paint It Pink Challenge on October 12th, and the guest horseman is Jody Sims. This is going to be great. For the month of October, the theme is Halloween, and we have Simple Customs by the Godfather Eddie Papandrea. This is going to be fun. For the month of November, we have Cyberpunk, and the guest horseman is Yaya's Garage Custom Diecast. I'm definitely looking forward to what he brings. The month of December, we have holidays, and it doesn't matter what holiday. Our guest horseman for this month is Beard Does Diecast. Daryl definitely brings it strong. So there's the schedule for 2024. Remember that it's all about the theme. It's not necessarily the car, so you can use whatever one you want in order to do your build. We just encourage you to participate and submit your glamour shot photos. But this season is going to be absolutely incredible with our horseman lineup and our guest horseman lineup. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. We'll do our best to get back to you and answer your questions. But again, don't forget to submit your glamour shot when you go to do these builds, and submit it about 3 days before the end of the month. Send your glamour shot to the Four Horsemen Diecast at gmail.com. That way there, you'll be guaranteed to get your picture in there. And again, please don't send it any sooner than 3 days before the end of the month. We get a lot of emails. We want to make sure we get yours in there. That's what it's all about.